Hey everyone! With the 2024 presidential election just around the corner, it's super important to make sure you're registered to vote. In this video, I am going to show you step by step how to register to vote for the 2024 presidential election. I'm here to walk you through the quick and easy steps to register to vote. Step 1. Check your eligibility. First, let's make sure you're eligible. To register to vote in the U.S., you need to be a U.S. citizen, be at least 18 years old by Election Day, meet your state's residency requirements, not be disqualified due to a felony conviction or declared mentally incapacitated. This varies by state. If you meet these criteria, you're good to go. Step 2. Find your state's registration deadline. Each state has its own registration deadline, so make sure to find yours. Some states even allow same-day registration, but others may close registration up to 30 days before Election Day. You can check your state's deadline at vote.org website or your state's official election website. Step 3. Register online, by mail, or in person. Now, the fun part, actually registering. You've got three main options: online, by mail, or in person. Let's go over each of these. For online registration, simply visit usa.gov website. Fill out your information, and you're set. To register by mail, download the National Mail Voter Registration Form, fill it out, and send it to your local election office. Make sure it's postmarked by your state's deadline. Finally, if you prefer to do it in person, you can visit your local election office or even some DMVs and public libraries. Just bring your ID and they'll help you get registered. Step 4. Confirm your registration. Once you've submitted your registration, it's a good idea to double-check that everything went through. You can verify your voter registration status online by visiting usa.gov website or state's election website. If you're already registered but moved or changed your name, don't forget to update your info. Step 5. Vote. Once you're registered, you're all set to vote. You can vote early, by mail, or head to the polls on Election Day. Just make sure to have your plan in place. And that's it. You're now ready to vote in the 2024 presidential election. It's quick, easy, and one of the best ways to make your voice heard. Be sure to share this video with your friends and family to help them get registered too. Thanks for watching.